लेकिन मैं उसके आधे घंटे पहले ही मैं मीडिया में कह चुका था कि कांग्रेस से हमारे गठजोड़ की संभावना है। देश में कोई ऐसा नेता आज नहीं है, सब डरते हैं जो ये कहते हैं कि भाजपा के साथ हम गठजोड़ नहीं करेंगे। मैं कह रहा हूँ
ठीक है, आप अखिलेश के साथ थे।
हमारी पार्टियां ओरिजिनली एक ही रही हैं, कल्चर एक है।
आपका अखिलेश यादव से जो बातचीत है आपकी, वो कहाँ तक है? शुरुआती है, दूध के दौर पे है, कंक्लूडिंग स्टेज
बस अभी खीर खानी बाकी है।
Akhilesh Yadav and Jayant Chaudhary are expected to finalize the seat sharing soon. Visuals of the meeting between both leaders gave rise to speculations of an alliance. Consolidation of Muslim and Jat votes in western UP seems to be the key reason behind this pact. The two parties had also contested the 2019 Lok Sabha polls in an alliance with BSP. Jayant Chaudhary's initiatives in the midst of farmers' protests put the party in the spotlight. The Bhaichara Zindabad campaign was launched to create harmony amongst Jats and Muslims across western UP. Akhilesh Yadav was insistent on fielding Harendra Malik as a candidate. However, RLD agreed to the alliance after the SP gave up its claim on Charthawal. Jayant Chaudhary reportedly wishes to contest himself.
हमारी पार्टियां ओरिजिनली एक ही रही हैं, कल्चर एक है।
The RLD stepped up its electoral base in western UP during the farmers' protests. The alliance is expected to pose competition to the BJP. The alliance pact has been reportedly finalized at 35 to 40 seats. The RLD initially had demanded 45 seats, but SP was willing to give only 25. Later, a conversation between Akhilesh and Jayant ensured a settlement at 35. Both SP and RLD opposed the centre's 3 farm laws, hence a tie-up was always on the cards. While both parties have been tight since the 2017 UP Assembly polls and even contested all the Assembly and Lok Sabha by-polls together, the long-standing relation has no conflict as of now. On paper, it seems to be a formidable entity. But only time will tell whether the SP and the RLD alliance will turn out to be successful in the upcoming 2022 polls.